Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with him is my husband Marcel. This morning we are at Mas Nevi. So fortunately we got a ride this morning so that's why you see us right here. So we are heading to see him right now. We came but his door is closed, but we hear chopping in the bushes nearby, so we are assuming that he's on the farm.
That's never really a play.
So mean him not gone far then.
We check bush first. Yalis! Yalis! See him there?
See?
Yes.
Nah, hear us though.
What you mean? See him all up in your head. Where down there though? Where do?
Mas Nevi.
Boy.
Morning.
I know boy a girl.
Me I tell you say God this man. You know say a while ago me a boy the key. Just run out.
You guys run out?
And me I say boy me no phone. Me I get in contact with him.
Oh no.
Where you guys run out gun?
God man. I tell you say my God when me I serve man.
Oh
He's
yes.
a God of God man.
Yeah.
God run out.
Mas
I didn't cook hilaya me be that plant. I go dig hill fi plant back you know so for hilaya me the plant so me the one in dead you know.
Oh.
So we just come on boy say me go boy little tea and me say me know how me go get in contact with you know.
Yes.
That lady where you always ask
you they am no like you know. I tell me I do want somebody I just want somebody me I do
Yes.
you know like Gilid any somebody so we go back up then sir.
So you finish?
After me start dig am late but.
So how much of them you do for?
See me dig 2 there already and see me have 2 head there so. See them 2 head there.
Oh.
So me da go dig 1 here so and 1 there so.
So where all the far?
Yes, me I keep back up before. Me can't dig that next time me I say God man.
Okay.
Everything run up on me party. Everything. Nothing but sugar.
Man, lick up your left foot on a piece of stuff.
Yes, sir. Nothing but sugar. No,
Everything done.
Everything done. Everything done. But me I say me I serve a God you know. So me say if me no soon, me I look for me say if me no soon by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Me I go come down there check my girl as soon as morning before we go to work.
Oh.
If you call you know.
Okay, yeah. Oh no.
I tell you man. What a God man.
Not a God we serve him. Yeah.
Everything.
On time God. You gonna come back down here later?
Ara morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ara morning. But me you see no news me I them 4 hill I am me having one. Sometimes the beer you want I can say jam to put in your food you know.
Yeah.
Me I say if me don't get the gas with that I say me can't.
Yeah, give me it.
Me can't take the kitchen again you know.
Yeah.
First time me could have taken it but me can't take it again.
Must never have sour orange man. Sit up there Marcel in front to the side.
Oh.
Him not know you know because so them probably just spoil and drop off.
Yeah man, they just spoil and drop off.
Yeah.
You want orange?
Oh, those are oranges? I thought it was sour orange.
I saw orange one, do you want some?
Oh yeah.
See one long thick this one?
Huh?
See one long thick this one?
Okay.
Master, give me sweet orange, you know.
Mas Nevi, are you a banana them here?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
But me still have here going, you know. Can't give up party. But I me already you know. You know me never used to sit down.
No, give me enough.
No sir.
You ready to play out though, Mas Nevi?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
You ready to play out?
Yeah, you know, so me have to go down and want to take one sin there.
But Mas Nevi, since you burn the kasha, you have less shade at the front.
Yes ma'am.
You prefer it so?
Yes ma'am.
Master, we say I love his son.
Me know, but...
What? Oh God, I'm going to take me out every morning.
Yeah?
It's so good you know.
Yeah, I know. The early morning
So
sun.
yes man, then I'll be to that and I'll tell you man.
Yeah.
This one good. Yes.
Put on him.
Oh,
Oh God. Never know, say my God, that's so good.
no.
Miss Babe sell gas too, you know?
But how you da get it up here?
Who did?
Miss Babe, that's it up here.
Should have somebody to carry it?
Yes, man.
Call Siggy, man. Give him the benefit.
Yes,
because no matter where we are, call him.
Yes, call him.
Him always
Yes,
just
ma'am.
come.
Yes, call him, you know, they know. Oh God.
Yeah.
For me, no have nothing. To go cook tonight, I say, are you coming in the right time? I say,
That's Nevi. I forgot to get some stuff in. So that we know. Your carpet look like it won't go out in the sun though. When last your sun it?
me never saw it when you put it on, you know.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Maybe you could have make it get some sun like how the sun out now.
I mean, it's me left something, say, me I left it for you.
How you left for we now? Let me see it.
Yesterday, me go find like a piece of yam and me say,
Oh,
and a renter.
yeah.
Yeah, put in your soup.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, man, put in your soup and renter. Yes, let me dig it.
Oh,
When you come down,
yes.
is your head again?
I'm supposed to say round head.
I think I'm just in case I get over right here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you can't be terrible. Yeah.
You can't wait. Oh, when
Yes,
you
man,
come.
you can't be terrible, man.
Marcel must never give you rent. I say save it for you.
Thank you, my general.
Yes, well,
So when you have put in your soup, we carry chicken foot for you now, because you just say you want chicken foot.
yes, man.
You have?
Me had 2 pieces left, man.
Oh, so you're good to go.
Yes, man.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
All right, me carry butter for you, so you can't complain. So you don't get no butter this time, you know.
Me used to have renter, but I the one, you know, so the one in Coco Nyamba when we rent. I used to get some people renter who have 4 hill renter, and we used to be
Oh,
carry.
you have to give me a Nevi them one. Me no want to go in the house.
Why, ma'am?
Hey, I'm sorry again.
What you say?
Why, ma'am?
I can put another box here.
Oh, all right. Let me come in then.
See what me have left here?
Put my stuff here.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yes, I have right, but no thing fit.
We carry rice for you. Whoa, this bag is here. Okay, rice come right up to the front here. Ah, good. All right.
God is good. Man.
That's
All
what
the
you stop trouble you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. God is good.
Maybe may I throw out some of your, this onion look like it has spoiled.
Yes, man. Make it stay, man.
Make it stay?
Yes, man.
Okay, sir.
This thing.
All right, so you have Lascomas Nevi.
Yes,
we bring you more garlic here.
Yes, man. That is the most important for you.
Yeah.
And man, I tell me, say, the pressure take me now, I'm afraid I want shop.
Go get garlic.
Yeah, it's not choppy.
Okay. You have cornmeal, flour,
Oh, God.
sardines,
Yeah.
tin mackerel, and your sugar and your stuff.
That was the sugar, Mrs. One. See the back there?
And you have more rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back
Your sugar done often though. You use a lot of sugar.
Remember, I said, me have to mix the oats.
Okay.
And mix the tea.
Oh, we bring you.
What so you can mix now when I have no gas?
We bring you oats.
Yes, I hit me up to go do.
Yes, the oats here. But let me see this one here.
That you want to know what boil that.
Oh, well, you have oats.
If you want them can mix. And last go did them and tin them.
Yes, right, sir.
Cooking oil.
Yes, man.
The cock soup.
Good. Now that.
Tin milk.
Yes, man.
And the bread that you like.
Yes.
The one where you say you love to bring it.
If me them get the gas, me I can't get them the fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sardine and bread.
And
then
then
the gas still.
Yes, sir.
The little marga bread that you like, Mas Nevi. See it here.
Yes.
Like a mangoes.
All right.
Yes, man.
Okay. And the chicken foot.
Yes, man.
You come take the chicken foot, Mas Nevi.
I got big somebody put it down for me.
Oh, you're not cook it this evening?
No, till tomorrow.
Okay.
Can't keep till tomorrow, you know. See you here.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but you don't want to chance it might spoil.
Remember, say, see, me can't cook it all this at one time, I go cook it not 2 times.
Okay.
So maybe get somebody put it down for me.
All right. I'll see your eye drops here now.
Oh gosh, yes, man. And you know, say, you know, say one of my church brother from foreign, send come say me must send this year come.
Oh,
Pin buy some mobile when I come out come give me.
okay. Yeah, man.
So me said they go
That
give.
would be more than awesome.
Yes, man. Me said they go give man that the brother the body and he come in a same church.
And cover get dirty, no.
Come man.
Oh, alright, Mas Nevi. Me I put up back your pan. Up
Yes,
here so you have it, huh?
Yes, man. Yes.
And see the butter is on top of it.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
About me, in the right time you come miss.
Every time.
You see it, sir? Nothing sugar me. I say, how me I go get in contact with you? Me say, I'm going soon now. Me have to go before dear. From what she know me I depend on say, you know.
Yeah.
Me no like him tell me and somebody I do like just want somebody me deal with. Yeah, man. And somebody good.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So how things otherwise?
Everything is all right.
Okay, okay.
Yes, man.
So it's tomorrow. You did say we must bring the prescription to the clinic?
No, for last week.
Because this morning Marcel is pulling it out and I said, Marcel, you sure it's not? I wonder if it's last Friday.
Yes, ma'am,
But we
last
couldn't.
When am I come again?
Then I come back again till next month.
We're going
But you have still.
Me have still on.
Yeah.
When I tell you something yesterday, one lady I tell me say he can't take every minute the pill them. So when me have reserve me. Yes.
But we are going to get it to, we are going to sort it out.
Month,
So.
next month.
Okay.
Yes, man. This month done already, you know. You have to say that, you know. So next month again. You see, in the first of the month now. When 1 week pass, I
Yes.
did a week. Yes, no.
The time is moving fast.
Oh gosh, I didn't. Me say, and me I say, at the night time, short. You know, they no long, you know. No, sir. And me go and me bed soon.
And how you love sleep? You sleep from 5 o'clock?
Yes, for 5. You can come here, so anytime come find me for 5.
Before 5 we can't find you.
Yeah, man.
See here some animals over the bush here.
So, you know, so when, you never go around Miss Babe.
No.
So, me did take from him.
What?
The thing there.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ziggy, we come to you with the gas throughout the day here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Come here right time, man. Right time, me say, boy. We go for boy little tea.
Yes.
Me I say. But me I say, me want a tea before me go down. So far, tea is good, you know, mama. If you don't get nothing,
Yeah.
you have to get some on your stomach. So me say, me I go boy a tea now. You say, me go in the mess.
Nevi.
Yes, sir.
A month when I do tea.
Let me you drink.
Water.
No, sir. No, sir.
At time, we can't find time for do not tea nor nothing, not even breakfast.
No, man, you already dead, so man.
No, man, we rebuke that in Jesus' name, man.
No, man, we are, sir.
We're not dead.
Yes, we take you up, sir.
I shall not die.
But yes, we take you up.
Oh, me I take up gas. Gas not take me up, we take you up.
Lord gosh. Remember say no? Remember say find you Likkle, you must see your parents talk, say, if I have little hot water.
Yes, you have to drink
You're
it.
supposed to drink it, you know. That is not a guest business, you know.
Yeah. You have to drink your tea.
Yes. Let him drink no tea. But get you some hot water.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
So if you get hot water, you boil some alcohol give me.
You're the 2-4. You're the 2-4, man. How good people.
Must Nevi, this drum have water now?
Yes, man.
Oh, good.
Almost full.
Yes, yeah, it was full.
So both of
Out
them
water
full
again,
out.
master.
No, can't run out.
You can't out the water again.
Hi, morning.
Yeah, my general.
Can't run out the water again.
Never.
No, man. No, man. Oh, you got me. Go back down to Steve, you know. What do you do? Hill I am there for.
Well, we not keep up your time. We are leave now.
Yes, man. God bless you now. We come, you know.
Yes, man. You are more than welcome.
Yeah. So, so
Oh, remember to
We
take.
bring the gas.
Remember to take the picture of the thing to send him.
Him not remember, you know?
what?
That's why I probably want the picture.
A picture him want. Ziggy. So if we take the picture of the pan and send it to him.
Oh, they not take it?
Take it?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Cock up.
Yes, man.
Oh, all right, Mas Nevi. So,
Yeah.
oh boy, we're gonna leave you now.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I see we are, man.
Yeah.
We are do soup later, man.
Yes, man.
Mas Nevi, say if you.
Yeah, man. Me say me I look for no still, you know.
Yeah.
Me say me no soon no today.
Uh-huh.
Me I soon no tomorrow.
Oh wow.
Up till Sunday, for you say I am there.
Yes.
They can't keep it till next month, you know.
Till next month.
Yes, for no joke. You put it at a Sunday.
Are you dig it?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay.
And a brother come here, you say come borrow me hammer. And me I tell you how me I bad advice.
Hey, we get a ride, we come up in the Mas Nevi.
Sir?
I see, man, we get a ride.
Yes.
I come borrow me hammer and I say how me I bad and me I dig how me dig here. And he no get no, me no get no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a good friend, you know.
Yeah, man.
Long time, man. Yes, when you come here, the wagon yesterday.
So this is renter.
Yes, man, rent. Safi am that.
Yeah.
You see all roast that is, sir. And BT.
Never see anybody roast renter yet.
Yes, man.
Me see them roast yellow yam.
Yes, man. The one of them, one yam you can, you're not supposed to roast a maca yam.
Oh.
That's why Maka we joke you.
No, they say that it will kill the breed. But the renter they roast.
It will kill the breed.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you kill the breed when it's only that little piece you're roasting.
I said,
Yeah, so they say if you dig the yam, alright, so you wash the yam and stick the hill. Yeah. If you cook when you cook the yam, you know if you wash it.
But those are
Say mask it, they tell me first, you know?
yeah, but those are superstitions.
So,
But I think nothing happened like that, Marcel. I'm just saying, I don't know.
alright.
Yeah. You don't know. Huh? Alright, Mas Nevi, we're gonna leave now.
say take a picture of her. We
soon take it.
You're not forgetting nothing, man.
me no,
Not yet,
no,
we soon
sir.
take it.
No, sir. Me no pick my head, my brain, man. Me put on a thing so.
It's sharp.
Yes, man. Nothing.
Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for always
Yes,
supporting
man.
us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And supporting the work that we do. God bless you. And until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
So we are talking about we put the tea on fire.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it.
Oh, you look fresh so this morning.
Me, man, not about me, no.
Yeah.
My problem, I go God me trust in you, you trust God, everything must alright, you know.
Yeah,
Not to fret you.
absolutely. Yeah.
Not no fret a man. But when you say go fret and worry yourself. And bring down yourself.
Yeah.
Bring down yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Are you fretting and change nothing?
Nothing.
You have to just pray.
Nothing.
So maybe enough you move it in that for which part you stretch your words too much here.
No, me not touch it. I never touch it.
So who come here can't touch it?
Nobody touch it. Since I left it. I never touch it yet for them put it on for me. Me not go near it. Me not go turn on the brother. I'm afraid that they visit the brother.
Oh, okay.
What do you man? Me go glad say a stove like that when me can manage over, you know. That's all right, man. So